Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to Technical Portal YouTube channel on a new video of Microsoft Excel short VBA Code series that is running into my channel. So friends, if you are watching my VBA series, you will know about for each loops, for next loop and many more. And today we are going to learn how to display all the opened workbooks and worksheets in your system by using the for each loops. At first you need to go to the developer tab, then click on the Visual Basic, or you can directly press the Alt and F11 key to directly get into it. Here click on insert and insert a new module. Now we need to write that code that contains for each loop. So this code will be basically loops through all open workbooks and worksheets and display all of their names in a message box. So type here as usual sub procedure sub space your sub procedure name. I am naming it as display names. Then hit the enter button, come to the next line. Here at first we need three variables that will be contained, two objects and one variable. So how do we declare our variables? By using dim, and one shortcut you can use while you have multiple variables, you can directly write them using and separating them with comma instead of writing them in every other line using dim. So I am just typing here dim book as workbook. Here is my first variable that is actually object as book. Then you can write your next variable using comma here. So here comes our next variable that is gonna be sheet as here select worksheet. Put a comma. Now we are moving through our last variable that will be text, right? And this variable is of type as string. Hit enter, come to the next line. Now we need to loop through all workbooks and worksheets. So here we are going to use the for each loops. Type for each book in workbooks, right? Hit enter, come to the next line. So here in this line we need to write the text, the name of the workbook and the text worksheets to the variable text. Now look at here carefully. Text equals to text ampersand symbol, open the double quote, here type workbook colon space, then double quote, put a space, type ampersand symbol, type book dot select name from the drop down menu, type ampersand. Here add a new line by typing VB new line ampersand symbol, again open double quote, type worksheets colon space, close the double quote, ampersand symbol, and here we are going to add a new line, again VB new line. Hit enter, come to the next line. Look at here, everything is fine till now. So here we have used the ampersand symbol to concatenate, or you can say join the elements. To start a new line we have added the VB new line code here. Here to loop through all the worksheets of a particular workbook we need to write this code for each sheet in book dot here select worksheets from the drop down menu. Hit enter, come to the next line. Again type text equals to text ampersand symbol sheet dot select name from the drop down menu, ampersand symbol. Again we are going to use a new line VB new line, right? Hit enter, come to the next line. So this line of code will show the names in a line by line series. Now we need to close the loop by typing next sheet hit enter, come to the next line. Now we need to add a white line to separate every worksheet's name by typing text equals to text ampersand and VB new line, right? Hit enter, come to the next line. Now we need to close the first loop by typing next book, right? Hit enter, come to the next line. Now we need a message box where this workbook and worksheets name will be displayed. So type msg box text, hit enter, come to the next line. Now your code has been completed successfully. Now close that Visual Basic editor. Here we need to insert a new button by going through insert and click on button. Design your button anything you want. Here select recently created VBA name and click on OK. Now this has been assigned as your macro with this button. Now name your button as display name. Now look at here, I only have sheet 1 in this workbook and the name of this workbook is display name. I am creating some sheets to show you and test this VBA macro. So I am naming it as test 1. Again next sheet, that will be test 2, and I am pressing Ctrl N to get a new workbook. Look at here, book 2 has been created. Here I am naming it as 1 dot. The next sheet will be sheet 2. Here 3 dot, right? Now we have two workbooks open where one sheet 2 and 3 sheet has been opened, and here sheet 1, test 1 and test 2, right? Now go to the sheet 1, click on display name and look what happens. I am clicking on it. Look at here, every workbook has been showed in this message box. Workbook, that is display names, this is absolutely right. Sheet 1, that is worksheets, test 1, test 2. Look at here, everything is showing you according to your opened workbook. So that's all for today friends. Hopefully you like this video. I'll come back soon with another part of this video. Till then, keep learning, keep supporting this channel and stay tuned.